So in this video today, I'm going to teach you guys how you're going to get a TikTok account that can be fully monetized, start making money in pounds. So I'm going to teach you guys how you're going to create your own UK TikTok account that you can be able to monetize it. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please endeavor to splash that red subscription button. Click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop interesting video like this. I know you might have a TikTok account in Nigeria here, but you have not been making money from it, like getting a lot of views, but you have not been making money from it. I recommend you should just get a UK account and then start making money. You should get monetized and start making money right away here in Nigeria and be getting paid all the time. All the earnings you get paid straight to your bank account. So in this video, I'm going to take you guys step by step how you're going to do this, how you're going to create your own UK TikTok account right away here in Nigeria without VPN. Without using VPN, you understand? You're not going to use VPN. This is totally free. So I'm going to tell you guys vividly how you're going to do this step by step. Use my phone to do that. So all I need from you guys is to just watch the video from the beginning to the end. So right now here on my phone right now, I'm going to tell you guys how you're going to do this. So
who is this guy? What's up guys, my name's Jeremy Lynch and today I'm going to be
I'm going to switch to my main accounts. So I've switched back to my main account. So I earlier said I'm going to show you guys how much I've withdrawn so far to my own paper account on my TikTok. Just some other earnings from other stuff. Okay, so you can see here this money has been received from TikTok. Your forms has been successfully delivered. Enjoyed. You can see the description is from TikTok. You can see, so it's from TikTok. You and TikTok, you can see. So that is it. So without wasting much of our time, let me go back to the TikTok. So if you click on this TikTok account, this is my main account, this is my Nigerian account, and then let me switch to the other accounts. This one is my UK account. So I'm going to click on settings, click on accounts, click on account information. You can see account region is United Kingdom. So you guys can see the account region is United Kingdom. So I don't want to select anything. You can see it's already your account region is initially set based on the time and place of registration. Okay, so you can see. So right now here, first of all, what you have to do is make sure, as you're going to do this, you need to create your own you need to create a fresh Gmail account so that you're going to perform this. You're not going to use phone number, no VPN, just only your email that you're going to do this. So let's go to, you can see, let's see TikTok Studio. So you can see post views, net followers, likes. This is just new accounts which I just created some days back. So let's click here. You can see once you click on add accounts here, you can see here, you can check, you can see down here, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms of service and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policy and cookies policy. Okay, so first of all, what you're going to do is you have to click on this Nigeria. So once you click on Nigeria, you need to going to change this. You look for United Kingdom. So once you click on United Kingdom, now I've changed this to United Kingdom. So any account we're going to create right now here is going to be UK account, and it's only UK. Some other countries that are fully monetized Nigerian accounts, you cannot be able to monetize it. So once you change it to United Kingdom, you're going to continue with email. Once you click on email, so right now here you're going to look for email that's not being used on any TikTok. So I'm going to I will use this. I'm using this. So I want to use this Hajimeko get trending content newsletter. So recommendation and account update sets to send to email. So you can do this and then continue. So now they will ask you to create any password. So passwords, you can set your passwords. Set your password. So continue, and then you can set your date of birth. So date of birth, I'm setting my date of birth, then continue. So now the code to be sent through the email, you can see 906986. The account has been created, so I might just any name, any nickname you can be able to choose, still fine. You can create continue. Right here I've created my own UK account. So let's go to setting and privacy and see what's there. See where the account is created. You can see United Kingdom. So this, it doesn't really matter that you must use VPN or use UK phone number before you can be able to create your own UK TikTok account that will be fully monetized. You must not use UK phone number or calling someone in UK should create the account for you. And then one more thing is that please, immediately you just finish creating it, don't add your Nigerian phone number. Don't add your Nigerian phone number, because if you add it, they're going to block it ASAP. They will block it. They will not even waste time. They will block it at that moment. So that is a good thing.
This is how you open the door.
What is the worst accent in the UK?
It's fully working.
Why are you pulling all the letters?
What's your dream?
Are you a millionaire? James.
So that is it. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you guys how you're going to verify your own UK TikTok account. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget, if you have any problem, you can drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to share it with your loved ones. I really appreciate you guys for being here watching this content. So thank you guys. See you guys in another video.